What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up here at our Orange County yard. Yesterday I did not make it here at all, but these guys made a lot of progress. They have all of the footing forms. Oh, the machine is loud on startup. But they have all of the footing forms complete all the way around for the new building. Rebar in, everything is perfect, ready to go. We have concrete coming Monday morning, 11 a.m. Today is Friday, so we're just doing last minute things, getting everything prepped, but these forms are pretty much perfect. What we're working on right now is setting these blocks back here as kind of like a retaining wall type of thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5 blocks right now. We need to set a couple more. We have one right there, and then I am running to buy a couple more for down on this end. We're putting one down there, and then obviously a second row on top of all of them. I'm about to go hop in our mason dump real quick. I can only take 2 blocks at a time. I'm gonna buy 3.5 if they sell the halves at the place that I'm going to. If not, I'm gonna get 4, and we'll just dig out a little bit more to set the 4th one in. But they're so heavy, I can only put 2 in a truck at a time. Luckily, the place is only about 20 minutes away. So let me hop in here. We'll go pick them up and get back here. All right, guys, we just dropped all of the blocks over here. We have our excavator kind of in the way, so we couldn't set them. While I was grabbing them, they set a couple more blocks and started getting this whole area backfilled. So now you can see how it is basically a retaining wall here. There is a drain that goes from there and it is piped to right here. We have to dig it out. It is kind of covered. When we cleared all this stuff, it kind of got covered a little bit, but you can see there's standing water down in there. It is supposed to flow out that way. Obviously we have some dirt down in here as well, but once we get the block set, we're going to clean all of this up and water will start flowing again. We needed a retaining wall here to hold all of this, that way the bottom of our footing doesn't wash out on us, and this is going to work perfect. These blocks are actually fairly cheap. I think the full-size blocks only go for 55 bucks. So basically what the concrete company does is when a truck comes back with extra concrete, they have a bunch of forms prepped in their yard. They just dump extra concrete in them and make these and then sell them. So pretty nice. Another thing they started doing is using metal hooks in here rather than just rebar. So it's definitely pretty nice. We have to set, I grabbed 1.5 there. We have to set a full one there and then a half right where I'm standing now. Obviously backfill in here, get it all compacted, and then we will be good to go. This job is in pretty good shape right now. We have concrete here on Monday at 11 o'clock, so we should have no issues. This will be a pretty easy pour. We can pour that whole side over there from the front road, then we can drive the concrete truck around here and pour this thing. The only hard part is going to be along the building over there. We will probably have to wheelbarrow a little bit, not really sure. We'll see what happens on Monday, but I have to get out of here and run up to the new job that we're building. There's a delivery coming and it is about an hour from here, so I have to get on the road right now. They just texted my father and said they'll be there in about an hour, so I don't really have any time to hang around here. But that is gonna wrap it up for this one. Monday we'll be back here getting this footing poured. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.